Bullish Nexo cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $3.77 and $8.21 by 2030. Market examiners accept Nexo could reach $3.77 by 2025. Bearish Nexo market cost expectation for 2022 is 67 cents. Nexo presentation. Researchers learned one thing on account of the development of digital forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Blockchain innovation won't disappear, but this confirmation in their algorithmic ability. Researchers and cryptographers worked enthusiastically to foster an extraordinary cryptographic money that could hold greatest incentive at a promising future cost and empower getting cash and making installments in replaceable nearby money. We should take a gander at the coin rundown prior to getting into a thorough value forecast of the Nexo cost. What is Nexo? Clients might help credits got by cryptographic forms of money through Nexo, a blockchain-based loaning stage. The way that these advances don't need a FICO rating makes them a beneficial option for clients. The Nexo stage permits clients to store upheld crypto resources and get a prompt advance in excess of 45 unique government-issued types of money. Credit lines are promptly put aside open after an installment, and there is compelling reason need to do a credit check. Clients approach their credit line consistently utilizing the Nexo card and may pull out cash directly to their financial balances. Nexo principal examination. Regardless of being based on blockchain calculations, Nexo is very defenseless and, as other digital currencies, is intensely dependent on value development, request, and supply. The commitments Nexo offers for the future are a subject of discussion among specialists. Nexo's cost moved from 55 cents to 98 cents during April and May 2018, a huge increment that recommended a critical degree of early financial backer premium, as per verifiable information, following the organization made its market debut in 2018. Notwithstanding, it showed basically level energy until September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo had ascended past normal exchanging cost of 73 cents. However, it has since had a little pullback and has come back testing the typical cost of 50 cents level. Out of the blue, verifiable information uncovers that during the coronavirus stage, while any remaining monetary forms showed lackluster showing, the Nexo cost showed soundness, acquiring financial backer certainty, and exhibiting a huge expansion in force. Starting from the beginning of 2022, there has been no sign of a Nexo cost drop. As indicated by Nexo's own measurements, it oversees resources worth $80 billion and has multiple million endorsers overall spread across in excess of 200 nations. A sum of more than 40 critical cryptographic forms of money are upheld, including the Nexo token along with Bitcoin, Ether, XE, Phantom, Cardano, and Dogecoin. Albeit the rate is in many cases lower. Clients can acquire up to 16% of premium on their collateralized resources. In a new perusing, TAI was procuring 12% APR, while BTC was delivering 7%. Nexo has noteworthy trust pilot evaluations, but there are likewise obviously a few phony surveys blended in with the genuine ones. Nexo specialized investigation. The cost of Nexo has a splendid viewpoint for the future since it depends on specialized examination. Given its steady dependability, the Nexo cost forecast appears to be very hopeful proceeding. Considering our Nexo cost expectation, specialized examination, and market refreshes, it is conceivable that many ventures will be finished toward the finish of 2022, prompting the most exorbitant cost forecast, making Nexo a more productive speculation than government-issued currency in the cryptographic money market. The Nexo value forecast is supposed to rise quickly over an extended time, as per all suitable cost expectation information. Nexo current cost. Nexo is right now worth 83 cents USD. Nexo has moved 3.33% as of now with an exchanging volume of $5,333,554. Nexo is right now positioned 71 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $477,174,297 USD. Nexo value expectation 2022. Nexo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The Nexo cost gauge for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.26. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.17 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. Nexo is supposed to have a base worth of $1.01. Nexo value expectation 2023. In 2023, Nexo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Nexo will before long outperform $2.10. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Nexo's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Nexo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.68 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.84. Nexo Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.93 and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.68 and a low of $2.51 in 2024. Nexo Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Nexo effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the Nexo coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Nexo will be green in 2025. The Nexo is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $3.77, with a base cost of $3.35 and a typical cost of $3.52. Nexo Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Nexo cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $4.36 by 2026, with a base cost of $4.19 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Nexo has a most extreme value worth of $4.61. Nexo Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $5.20. In the event that Nexo figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $5.45. Neglecting to accumulate the help Nexo needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $5.03. Nexo Value Forecast 2028. While Nexo is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $5.87 and a yearly cost close above $6.29 in 2028. Nexo Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Nexo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $6.71 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $7.12, averaging out at $6.87. Nexo Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Nexo cost in 2030 is projected to be $8.21 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $7.88.